Setting an intention, a guide to purposeful yoga practice. Our yoga practice is much more than physical movement. It is a journey inward, a space to realign with what truly matters. Setting an intention creates a calm, reflective atmosphere for this journey, offering purpose and mindfulness to every breath and movement. This practice is an invitation to bring mind, body, and spirit into harmonious focus, helping you connect deeply with your inner self. Let this guide support you in cultivating a meaningful, mindful yoga experience. When you set an intention in your yoga practice, you establish a guiding principle for your journey on the mat. Instead of simply engaging in physical activity, an intention transforms your practice into a deeper, purposeful experience. It is not about achieving a specific goal, but about inviting a sense of balance or quality into your practice, a commitment made with kindness and self-awareness. Think of an intention as a bridge connecting mind, body, and spirit. It roots your awareness in the present moment, grounding you in what truly matters to you. Whether you seek patience, self-compassion, or focus, your intention becomes a gentle reminder, bringing centeredness throughout your practice and into your daily life. Key concepts. *** intention versus goal. Unlike a goal, which focuses on measurable outcomes, an intention reflects a quality you want to nurture, perhaps gratitude, peace, or resilience. It fosters long-term growth and self-discovery rather than short-term achievements. Mindfulness and purpose. Intention setting encourages mindfulness. It invites you to approach each breath and movement with a purpose, enriching your physical and emotional well-being. When you approach your yoga practice with intention, it evolves from a series of movements into a holistic experience that nurtures your entire being. The benefits of incorporating intention in your practice are profound. Enhances focus and presence. Your intention acts as an anchor, drawing your attention away from distractions and into the present moment. It helps you stay mindful of each pose, each inhale, and each exhale. Cultivates self-connection. By setting an intention that resonates with your personal values or emotions, you create an opportunity to connect with yourself on a deeper level. Provides motivation and encouragement. On challenging days, your intention serves as a gentle but steady reminder of your purpose, inspiring you to stay consistent. Supports emotional well-being. Mindful intentions like forgiveness or joy foster a positive emotional state, promoting resilience and mental clarity. Intentions can be personalized to suit what you want to cultivate in your yoga practice and in life. Here are some examples to inspire your journey. *** physical intentions. Focus on honoring and strengthening your body. I intend to listen to my body and respect its boundaries. I intend to build strength with patience and care. Emotional intentions. Work on nurturing positive feelings or qualities. I intend to practice self-kindness and release self-judgment. I intend to embrace calmness in every breath. *** mindfulness and presence intentions. Center yourself in the moment. I intend to be fully present in my movements and breaths. I intend to quiet my mind and let go of mental clutter. *** spiritual or personal growth intentions. Foster inner growth and peace. I intend to trust the unfolding of my journey. I intend to connect deeply with my inner strength. Taking a moment of reflection before your practice can guide you in setting a meaningful intention. Follow these steps to cultivate your focus. ***, pause and reflect. Begin by sitting in stillness. Close your eyes and connect with your breath. Ask yourself, what do I need today? Or, what quality do I want to cultivate in my life? Choose a word or phrase. From your reflection, choose a simple, positive word or phrase. Whether it's patience or I am enough, let it carry personal significance. 3. ***, Visualize your intention. Take a few deep breaths, imagining your intention filling your being with its energy. Embody the feeling it brings into your practice. Carry your intention. Throughout practice, as you move through poses, let your intention guide your breath, movements, and thoughts. Return to it anytime your mind starts to wander. The beauty of setting an intention is that it doesn't have to stay on your yoga mat. You can carry its essence into your everyday life, creating a ripple effect of mindfulness and positivity. Morning reflection. Begin your day by revisiting your intention. Ask yourself how you can embody it throughout the day. Mindfulness reminders. Use prompts, journaling, phone alerts, or sticky notes to remind yourself of your intention in moments of busyness. Evening check-in. In the evening, reflect on how your intention influenced your day. Celebrate moments where it added depth to your actions or thoughts. To deepen your connection with this practice, take time to reflect on these questions. What quality or feeling do you wish to cultivate through yoga? How does this intention align with your goals for personal growth or wellness? In what ways can this intention positively influence life beyond your yoga mat? In the calm and quiet of your yoga practice, setting an intention can guide you toward greater mindfulness, purpose, and inner peace. Let it serve as your compass, gently steering you to the essence of who you are, both on and off the mat.